What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video today. It's Friday. My name is Jason, known as Grabber Coyote 2013 on my social media as far as Instagram and TikTok. No, I'm on Facebook, but that's more family, so that's more personal. So I'm on there too. You just gotta find me. But dang, here or there, just trying to make content for you guys today, and we are headed to Farmington Dragway. We're going to see what's happening there tonight. They got a little bit of testing tuning going on. This thing may make a few passes there. If not, then I'll probably not make a pass in this car because the configuration it's in, I do know it's not going to do that great, but I always have that uneasy feeling when I go to the track, but always come out better on top than when I leave there. So hopefully this car does good. But two things that were going on for me last time I took it to the track was the air was good. Car ran substantially well. It ran really good. I was very happy with the numbers it pulled. But this is a very expensive car to replace an engine in, especially because the crate engine's probably $7,000 to $8,000 right now, unless you go get one from a junkyard, and that's not a guaranteed fix. So meanwhile, I don't want to bore you guys too much, but I do realize that one of my other videos that I posted at the same track, we got over 1,000 views already within a 2-week period, and I don't have that many subscribers, which, you know, I think that's awesome. But I'm going to be bringing you guys content. We are headed to the track once again. I'm going to be, more than likely, I'm going to go ahead and just, might as well say I'm going to go ahead and run this car and see how it does. I am anxious. My anxiety's up, but main thing is, you know, hopefully it's still a running driving car when I leave. So I don't want to be beating on this car too much. That's why I built the box body. So anyways, another thing may be happening too, not regarding this car, it's going to be regarding another car that I'm keeping a tight lid on. But that's all I'm going to say on that. So, but I will talk to you guys at the track. I will see you guys there. Good sign. This is not good. Good. It's raining. This car just spun the tires, as you can tell. But rained up here. See, this is North Carolina weather for you. It rained here. It's rained up here too, but usually an eighth of a mile. Guys, this is crazy. This is why I hate summertime here in North Carolina. The weather just sucks here in the summertime. It's terrible. You can't plan nothing. That's why I like the fall and spring the best. I wish there's 2 seasons that we could skip. One is summertime. Move my. All right, guys, we are here at the track. I've made my decision. I'm going to time run the car, just not right now. But right now the cylinder head temperature is at 203 degrees. I think the car needs to cool down a little bit. So that being said, we'll see. I don't know. Got some pretty banging rides here tonight. Got my father in front of me. If you guys can see him. But yeah. Anyways, let's see.
Are you running?
Yeah, go ahead.
Print and sign the waiver, sweet.
All right, what is it, 20? Batch controls off. Come on. Alright guys, we're going to make another pass. Alright. Thing sounds so good, Abe. Can really see the windshield's fogged up. Max control on. Max speed on. It takes forever. Hurry up, dude. it did very good. You know, considering it's a hot and humid night, so this thing is within spec where it's supposed to be. The oil looks good, it's happy. Whole car's happy. That pass, I turned everything off that last pass. It went an 857 at 84 mile an hour. It actually picked up a little bit. But two things were fighting me. One, the track was prepped good. The track wasn't the problem. I don't have the right tires. The whole setup's wrong. The car's still on factory manifolds. It still has cats on it. So you have to take all that in consideration. Now, I thought about doing a Cobra Jet manifold, an MGW shifter, a different flywheel, and a new clutch. It's in the window for probably being needing a new clutch. I could probably go on a stock clutch and be fine, but we got all the gears this time. We got all the gears. I'm very happy about that. But this video, it's all going to come to an end tonight. I don't know when you guys will see this, but I had a great family night, and it was just, you know, LS versus Coyote. It was a great night. Sorry you guys only got to see 2 passes between my cousin and me, but you know, those 2 cars, our 2 cars, they're from 2 different worlds. I mean, well, they're from America, but you know, you got a family car with heads and cams. This is pretty much a stock Coyote with a gear with Flowmaster Outlaws and the springs. That's it. You know, so cars roughly make the same power. So when you think about that, you know, their cars are close, but you know, he's still running a high gear. I'm still running a 373. But 2 things are fighting us tonight. For one, he didn't have the right setup under his car either. He needs, you know, he needs a drag setup. I need a drag setup. Ambient temp out here tonight, the density altitude was pretty thick, you know. But anytime that the humidity's out here, the computer's going to retard the timing from this car, especially these Coyotes. So when you take that consideration, car's impressive. So on that note, in the meantime, if you have enjoyed this upload, it's more of a family night. I just had I had fun with my family. You know, like I was telling you, I'm documenting my life here. Had a wonderful time. But there's other cars here. But I believe the next vid probably won't be track related. It's going to regard this car, I believe, in the next one. It just depends on with work and see what happens. I'm going to try to get a week off. That way I can spend time with this thing. And you guys are going to like that one. But anyways, once again, I'm going to end the video here. If you have enjoyed it, please feel free to give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to the channel because it's only going to get better from here. Cars are only going to get faster. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great week.